This is cold extract coffee maker project 8. Arbitrarily calling it 8 because I think I remember the last one being 7. Funny how that works, isn't it? 40 thousandths of an inch aperture. That's number 60 drill. Or if you guys are thinking metric, just a curly red bigger than a millimeter is still too small an aperture for my non-vented coffee leach to drip. I mean, still I get 3 drops as soon as I turn it over. I come back later and nope. So I'm going to try 50 thousandths and watch that for a 12-hour monitoring period. I don't want to go Breaking Bad with the Chimex and Pyrex apparatus to make coffee. I don't want to go there. If I wanted to do that, I'd just get like a 500 milliliter Erlenmeyer with a suction hose spigot, a filter funnel, some number 5 Wattman, drizzle ice water through while the vacuum pump is sucked up. I don't want to do that either. I want that unvented, and I know it will work. I've seen people doing it.
They wouldn't tell me how big the hole is.
And its surface tension is, I gotta find the right size hole for the surface tension to slowly, minusculely. I want to drip every 15 or 20 minutes. I mean, after about a week with the coffee and the water sitting in the fridge, you know, why not? Anyway, I'll keep you posted. Oh, and you know, this plastic bottle cap crap, that's only until I can find out the optimum size for the orifice. Then, you know, take a piece of metal and that right there, and it'll be screwed tight between 2 pieces of metal, perhaps with O-rings to, or you know, a gasketing material, but able to come apart for cleaning. Anyway, I'll keep you posted. Alright, cold extract project 8A. I just drilled the number 52, I mean a 52 thousandths of an inch hole through here with a letter drill, number drill. The heat is affecting me, it really is. Anyway, 52 thousandths of an inch. I'm about to go and start the drip. So at 4 a.m., since I'll be awake watching YouTube, I'll be able to go and look and see if I've succeeded in getting it to drip about every 15 or 20 minutes. Hey gang, cold extract coffee maker project 8 beta. Well, that's B, as in the third piece of this one that we'll be putting together. I may have it. That 52 thousandths of an inch hole may be the optimal size. I mean, it did the 3 drip when you turn it over, like boom, bang, bang, and then number 4 immediately formed nice and big and fat. I come back 5 minutes later, it dropped. Maybe some light at the end of the tunnel. Or in this case, some drip on the other side of the orifice.